Just a little bit.
No heavy duty mud. You know, no gotta pressure wash it off. This is...
Alright, y'all. We're back on the bench and we're going to start a new project. In November, my wife bought a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. And she kind of likes to do this RC stuff now. I bought her one of the 1/24th scale Axials, the little Jeep, and she enjoyed it. And then they came out with the SCX-10 3, that is a Jeep JL, but we're going to make it a Wrangler JK. Anyway, so I went out and got myself one of these new kits from Axial, the SCX-10 3. Took a while to get it. Kept delaying, but it finally came in. So now we can get started on building a one-to-one for my wife. Now I have a one-to-one for my Dodge 2012 Dodge 1500, and I'm also building a one-to-one for my Toyota 4Runner that I had in the 90s. I'm almost finished with that one, and today we're going to start a one-to-one on the Jeep. So this is the SCX-10 3 kit. So let's see what we got. Jeep Wrangler JLU Rubicon. When we get done, it's going to be a JK Wrangler, not a JL. They look pretty much the same. We can always fudge a little bit. Alright, so let's see what's the difference between this and the SCX-10 2. I built the SCX-10 2. That's my one-to-one from my Dodge. So let's see what the SCX-10 3 looks like. Interior, which is nice. Please remove the protective coating. Body, I like the body being already pre-cut. Makes life a whole lot easier. That, to me, is the hardest thing to do, is cut the flipping body. This Lexan can be a pain to cut. So we got the Jeep Wrangler body and the interior all ready cut and ready to go. Comes with Grappler MTs. Now my wife has BF Goodrich tires on her Jeep, so we will be getting a set of BF Goodrich Proline BF Goodrich to put on that. We won't be putting these on. And of course, parts bags. And this has got the new axles that are, what do you call those? I haven't done anything with these kind of axles yet. Portal axles. This will be the first time I've messed with Axial's portal axles. I do have a kit that I built with Red Cat with their Axial, their portals. That's what I built my Toyota 4Runner, 1996 Toyota 4Runner around. Actually, it's a 1992. So this will be the first time I've dealt with portal axles. Hardware, metal links, nice. Nice. Drive shafts feel substantial. They don't feel like plastic. I guess they are though. Awful short, that's for sure. Transmission, all metal gears. Chassis parts. Inner fender liners. Adjustable frame rails. Adjustable frame rails. And body posts. I'm going to try to do something different rather than putting holes in the body. And stickers and the kit manual. So it's a pretty typical box of parts. I'm sure you've seen it a million times. If you're a kit builder, if you're not a kit builder, then this is probably a little different to you. We got, everything comes in bags. They're all marked. Transmission, axles, frame rails, shocks, body parts, lots of accessories for the body, more body parts, more frame parts, transmission, wheel wells, and battery. So, that's the opening of the box for the Axial SCX-10 III. Pretty typical manual from Axial. A million precautions. And one of the things you need for this is a 4-channel radio, because it does have 2 microservers, electronic speed controller, and a steering servo. Microservo. The microservos are for the dig function, which we'll talk about more later, and the 2-speed transmission, which is kind of nice. When I put my 1-to-1 for my Dodge, 2012 Dodge, I had to buy all that stuff. Transmission, I mean, there was a kit to upgrade the transmission in the SCX-10 II, but it didn't come with it. This is a pretty good deal, especially for 379 bucks. So, alright guys, so the next time we get on the bench, we're going to start by building these portal axles. This is something I haven't done. Yes, the axles that came in the Red Cat Gen 8 kit were already put together. I have some idea of what they look like, but this will be an interesting build for me. Alright, and the Jeep will be yellow. I'll put up a picture of my wife's Jeep. Things we've done to it. We've already modded it quite a bit for off-road, where you like to do overlanding. So this is going to be an overlander. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you back here in a few days.